Hey, good morning. It's Monday the 12th. I'm out here on the Appalachian Trail. I just left Mollies Ridge Shelter. I'm heading to Derrick Knob Shelter. It's about a 12-mile hike today. It's cold. It's probably in the 40s. Wind's blowing pretty fast, pretty hard. Blew all night long. The shelter did a good job of breaking the wind, but I didn't have my sleeping pad all the way aired up, or it leaked, so I got kind of chilly last night. Plus, I had to pee so bad for the last 5 hours, but I was on the second level when I had to climb down and wake everybody up. So I ended up holding it. It's about to bust. It was good to get up this morning. So I got started at 8 a.m. this morning. It's going to be a wonderful day. I believe, and I'll have to double check this, but I believe today is my maternal grandparents' anniversary. If this is the same day that the Titanic sank, it is. I believe it is. I think it's April the 12th. Was their anniversary? Yeah, they were April the 12th, 1912 was when they got married. No, let's see. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll go back and I'll look at it, and then I will report to you what their anniversary date was. But it was the same day the Titanic sank, whenever that was. That's when their anniversary is. So last night up on the hill, I could look out to the west, and I could see Maryville and Alcoa, Tennessee. And just over past that, across the lake, is where I live in Knoxville, in far west Knox County. So I could see home last night, which was kind of a weird thing. Couldn't really make out anything though, because I was having to look through the trees. There were so many stars last night. It was beautiful. Hopefully there'll be stars again tonight. So anyway, I'm glad you're joining me on the trail today. I'll let you get it. I did. There's some of the white flowers again, like I saw yesterday. These ones look like they're kind of, I don't know if they've shriveled up because of the cold, or if they haven't blossomed yet, or bloomed, whatever you call it. Anyway, I'll talk to you up on the trail. God bless you. I hope you're having a blessed day, because I know I am. See you later. Well, I just looked at my phone and I was mistaken. So they got married on April the 15th. That's right. So 3 days until their anniversary. But anyway, I'll talk to you later. Hey y'all. So it's 12:45. I just woke up from a 20-minute nap. I stopped and ate lunch. And like any big old bear in the woods, I guess my belly got full and I got sleepy. So I took a 20-minute nap. Now I'm up ready to go climb Rocky Top. Oh, it's into him. Okay. Saw something climbing on me, but it wasn't. Yeah, it's been, oops, sorry everybody. I've hiked a little over 6 miles so far this morning. I've got another 6 to go. Stopped and had some hot tea with powdered milk, and I had some Lipton noodle soup. It was really good. So now, and and a couple of little Heath bars also. They were really good too. Heath bars tend to get me up the hill a little bit better. So anyway, I am going to head on out of here in a minute, head on up the hill. and see if I can get this next 0.7 miles will get me to the top of Rocky Top, which I guess is where our state gets its name from. And anyway, I'll see you up there, okay? Have a blessed day. I'm climbing Rocky Top right now, and it lives up to its name. There's nothing but rocks up through here on this trail. I forgot about this in the Smokies. Well, I didn't forget, I just was hoping it had changed, but it hasn't. It's just rocks over rocks over rocks. I'll see you up the trail. Well, I made it. I lived most of my life in Tennessee, and now I can say I've been to good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. I'm not gonna try to sing it. I'll fall off this rock, break my hip, and then I won't be able to climb out of here. But it sure is pretty. Red Waldron, Hop Harris. Can't tell what that one says. It says Tom. 1819, I don't know. I'll have to look it up. Earl somebody down there. There's some more there. Really? Really, I gotta go up that. Oh dear Lord. This isn't fun today. This kind of sucks. Okay. I could have lived the rest of my life without having to go up that. I did it. Just had to go hand over hand, throw my sticks up the hill, and start climbing. What's around the corner here? Oh look, more hill. More mountain actually. And you can't tell, but it's just straight up again. Oh boy, what have I got myself into? I guess I'm blessed. Hope you have a blessed day. I'm flagging a little bit right now, guys. Well, 12 miles later, I'm finally here at the shelter. Today beat me down pretty bad. Oh my goodness. I still did it, just took me forever to do it, that's all. So, I guess it's time to see if there's room in the shelter if I want to camp out. And then get something to eat, get my water, and get to bed. I'll go into my positives and negatives now. Positives were, it was a really pretty day. I did 12 miles. My negatives were, I'm one of the first ones out and the last one in. But I made it. Okay, so I've already come this far down from the camp. I'm going down to get water. So this is one of the things you gotta remember also, that when you're out here, you have to go find water. And at most of the shelters, or all the shelters, there's usually a water source within 0.2 miles. Sometimes I went to one, I think it was a half mile. And this one here has a pipe coming out. Now the pipe isn't a pipe from like a water source. It's a pipe out of a spring, so the water has to be filtered. But it's basically water that's coming out from underneath the ground somewhere over here, or out from between rocks. Sometimes it's just a pipe in a creek that helps it, or a leaf even, you can do it off of that. But anyway,
So I've got my handy dandy knock water bag I'm going to fill up, and then I'm going to take it back up and filter it. So I'll see you later.